Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. This video, we're going to be looking at Wi-Fi profit system. And as you see on the sales page here, it is the world's first 4-in-1 auto sales app, and it gets you free buyer traffic and sales in 60 seconds, even if you're a newbie with no tech skills or experience. Now we're going to be talking about that headline, but first I'm going to show you inside of the dashboard. And when you get inside the dashboard, we're going to walk through everything here, to include the tutorial videos that provide you a overview of the system, talks about how to use the done for you campaigns, as well as getting approval for the product that is being sold in the done for you campaign. Going to talk about some integrations with your autoresponders and some other APIs that are available for your free traffic methods, and also how to create a campaign for any product and the social sharing tools. Also some information on a free bonus called Auto Profit Boost, and more about the upgrades if you didn't purchase those, and something in here about a bonus builder. Then there is a free video here, which is a video on traffic strategies and about how to get traffic. Of course, this button links out to a site called udemy.com. If you don't know what udemy.com is, it is a place where you can buy solo ads. I have a link up here in the cards that'll talk more about solo ads. You can check that out so you can understand exactly what that is if you're new to this whole thing of making money online and products such as this one that we're talking about right here, Wi-Fi profit system. Scroll down. This sales page is a complete mind-bending, psychological mind screw about how you are going to make money with this traffic app, with all different types of affiliate products from low ticket to mid ticket to high ticket, and how you're just going to rake in the money all from a single dashboard, along with testimonials, and of course a simple 3-step process. First one is to purchase, second one is to log in, third one is to simply get traffic, start making sales, and you're 3 steps away from the laptop lifestyle, which of course is exactly what Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, and Frank Kern do. Now here's where we need to take a step back, and we need to think with our logical brain and not get all giddy about making tons and tons of money online on the internet without having to do a whole lot of work, and also relying on what the sales page is telling us and showing us, to include the borrowed authority from people like Russell Brunson, Frank Kern, and Tony Robbins, who, by the way, make a lot of money on the internet, but they make a lot of money on the internet because they've created tools and or created a ton of content that is helpful for the people that they are trying to help, aka their audience, aka the people that need their help, that want their help, which is the same thing that you should be doing. And with that, let's jump back into Wi-Fi profit systems. And when we get in here, let's take a look at what it does. Of course, we'll click and take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard is simply just an introductory video. The tutorials we already looked at. Here is where you actually get into the meat of it by clicking on campaigns. And here's where you create a new campaign. You go in here, you create a new campaign, and you select options like colors. You select different themes and fonts. You create a headline here, button text here. Page logo, here you can hover over here. This is the logo of your page. You can choose a background image. You can create more page button text and all this. You can integrate it with your autoresponder. You can even put in your Facebook pixel codes. You can also connect here for Facebook comments, Facebook chat, and you simply go create new or create now. And then it has created my new campaign, and you simply click publish. And you can view the page right here by clicking on view. And you can see the page that I created right here. Of course, I skipped a lot of steps, but I just wanted to show you the basic idea of what you're going to get when you create a basic page. Now we'll go back to the campaign builder. We'll close that out and we'll go to the done for you. And the done for you is going to show you exactly what this would look like. And this is Wi-Fi profits. So basically Wi-Fi profits, this done for you campaign, is to promote this tool, the Wi-Fi profit system. So click on publish, click on view, and here is the page that is created for you. Of course, you could edit this and change this logo, but you simply see right here, let me help you make money online. There's a background image with some text here. Get my free training. This link will be your affiliate link to Wi-Fi Profit System. So here's what you're doing essentially is you're buying the Wi-Fi Profit System, you're clicking on the Done For You campaign, you're getting an affiliate link to promote the system you just purchased. You are using their builder, their campaign builder, to build a page, and then once you build that page, you're going to go out and you're going to find people to land on this page and purchase the same thing you just purchased and start the cycle over again. Of course, when you're on this page, you can see they have tons of resources with articles. So my resources, the exact tools you use, and I'm going to show you where these all link to the affiliate links inside. It's all done for you. So when you're reading this article, if you were to read through this wall of text about autoresponders, you'll see there'll be a link right here to get Aweber. For sound, there'll be a link right here to get another product, a product link for graphics, a product link for page builder. Of course, these product links are all your affiliate links, and I'm going to show you inside the Wi-Fi Profit System where you set these up. But you can see here, this is a type of article and page that you're going to be sending people to. I don't know how impressed you are with this, but if I landed on this page, I would bounce pretty quickly. Of course, you can look at this page and you can come up with your own conclusion, but the simple matter of the fact is this system builds this page and allows you to put your affiliate links here where it says related, get an autoresponder, and I'm going to show you that right now. So back inside of the Wi-Fi Profit System, here's the Done For You campaign. If you want to add your affiliate links, you simply click here. Then this is where you would come and you would apply for Aweber. So you would go to this link. It would take you to the Aweber page where you could sign up with Aweber and become an affiliate or attempt to get approved to be an affiliate for Aweber, as well as Blue Yeti microphone. This was their sound. Canva. This was graphics. ClickFunnels. That's obviously a page builder. But if you have the Wi-Fi Profit System, why do you need ClickFunnels? And the list goes on and on here. You can see Teachable, Shopify, Namecheap, a Logitech camera, Fiverr, Crowdfire, ClickMagick, Page 3, Vidnami, which is a video creation tool. So again, you come back for the Done For You page, and you would simply click here to edit that page. And here's where you would edit, change your title, change your theme, scroll down, and here's you see the image, and you come through here, and then here is where you would link to all the resources that have your affiliate links. You could change it here, how to make money with Fiverr. That'd be your affiliate link to Fiverr. You would integrate your autoresponder, which would be one of these. So you would still need to get an autoresponder to go along with this. And here is where you would set up your Facebook pixel. So if you don't understand that, you would still need to learn how to do all that. And then you would simply publish that again. And then once you published it, you would have this page right here where you would share this page. And then to get traffic to this page, you'd go back to the app. And we're going to do that by taking a look inside the app. And we're going to go down to social. And this is where you get the 4-in-1 free traffic sources of Twitter, Reddit, and Tumblr, and you have to connect to each one of your accounts. So you'd need to connect to your Tumblr account. If you don't have one, you'd need to create one. Reddit account, again, if you don't have an audience or a following, you would need to connect. You would need to create and connect with people on Reddit. The same with Twitter. Then here you click Go to Social Shares. Once you've connected your accounts, then you would simply click on Share a Campaign. You would choose that account, whether it be Reddit, Twitter, or Tumblr. Then you would select a campaign, which could be the Done For You right here. You would type in a message, buy my stuff. You would add hashtags, and then you would submit that, and it would post it to one of those social media platforms. Next is free traffic. Here you watch this video. In this video, he's going to tell you how to go through step 1, step 2, and step 3, which are some more tools that he's created and sold in the past, as well as a link where you can click on a big red button and you can get 100 free clicks from a solo ad that he is going to run for you, or basically he's going to filter off some traffic that he's not interested in and send it to your Done For You squeeze page that you set up right here. Again, here's the Done For You campaign that they set up for you. And back to the sales page, because this is exactly what Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, and Frank Kern are using, because it says so. Because this is the exact same system multimillionaires such as these guys use. Again, this is fabrication. This is a sales pitch, a psychological mind bend to borrow the authority of these people that you probably heard of to think, or to make you think that a system like this is the same type of system they use. Now, do they use this same type of system? Yes. Russell Brunson owns ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels builds pages and funnels, but he also creates mountains and mountains of content to sell that system and then train people on how to create mountains and mountains of content to utilize that system to make money online. So back to the sales page. This is from the desk of Glenn Kosky. This is the creator. You can see right here, I built something brand new that automates profits from 3 different sources under one dashboard and generates free buyer traffic. Here is the issue with that statement. Why is this considered buyer traffic? Immediately, people on Twitter, people on Tumblr, people on Reddit are buyers. If you have built a group of people that have purchased from you in the past or purchased from other people, and you built a group and you have direct access to them on Twitter, on Reddit, and on Tumblr, then these people would be buyers. But just simply sharing that to a social media platform does not make them a buyer, because obviously they never bought anything from you, and you don't know if they bought anything from anybody else, and that they're really interested in what it is that you have the affiliate links to inside of this all-in-one dashboard. So after that, just go back to the sales page and just scroll through here. Dear tired newbie, I know you're struggling, you're doubting your ability, you're weak, but that's all about to change, because they have the ultimate solution and it's going to solve all these problems that you see. Again, it's tough, more psychological triggers and images of people having a really bad day, trying solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, SEO, Facebook groups, forums, LinkedIn, free traffic methods that don't exist. Wait a second. He just said on his sales page, free traffic methods that don't exist, but he's providing you 3 free traffic methods. Again, Reddit, Twitter, and Tumblr. I don't know if you have followings on these media platforms. If you do, then you can use this and connect to your account. But if you already have built a following on those 3 platforms, then you don't need this tool to help you along. And with that, we've looked inside the tool. Now let's look at all the upsells. And here's what you're going to get. You're going to buy the front end for 17 bucks. Then you're going to get an offer for OTO1, which is unlimited. And then you're going to walk through the rest of these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are upsells and downsells. Of course, this $97.67 represents the original price. $67 is the downsell price, and I'm going to show you the pages right now. This is upsell 1 or OTO1. You see this big banner right here, wait, don't leave empty-handed, and you qualify for an instant discount. Let me go ahead and close that and just show you this is the OTO page or the upsell. Let me refresh that and show you how that occurred, how I actually got the instant discount. The tactic here is you land on this page, you start scrolling down, and you get ready to click your order right here. But hey, wait a second, let's back our mouse off the page. And what do you know? We have instantly qualified for a discount, and this occurs on every page. But before we hop to the next page, I want to take note of something on this page right here. Unlock unlimited 1,000x more buyer traffic and commissions in just 1 click. I'm a little confused, so I'll scroll down here, and they want to say, thank you for your purchase of the Wi-Fi profit system. Everything started, you're going to get access to the software soon, but they want to make it easier for you and faster. They want you to be able to get unlimited everything without limitations to the software. Let me highlight that for you. They wanted everything unlimited without any limitations in the software. Therefore, let me highlight this for you. Therefore, we'd like to give you the opportunity to upgrade to the unlimited edition where there is no limit on the number of traffic campaigns you can run. Here's the issue. Or here's a problem that I have. I went through the sales page. Did you go through the sales page? Did you see any mention on the sales page of limits to the front end product that you purchased for $17 or that you were thinking about purchasing for $17? I didn't. Maybe you should go back through that sales page and you should check for this and see where they talk about it's a limited version and there will be an upsell for an unlimited version. I didn't see that. Maybe you saw it. If you saw it, leave it in the comments and let me know that I missed it, because 100% I want to know that I missed it before I saw this message on this OTO page where I have to purchase the unlimited edition where there are no limits to the amount of traffic that I could get because I was under the impression from the sales page that they finally cracked the code and developed a brand new world-class traffic system that enables all marketers at every level, including newbies, to get free traffic non-stop, generate commissions with high ticket, build a huge email list, but again, get free traffic that is non-stop. But then again, here on the OTO page, I need to purchase unlimited traffic. We'll go ahead and just move on to OTO2. Again, there's my instant discount. Here we have a done for you service where you can get them to set the software up for you, but I thought it was supposed to be super simple to set up, that all you had to do was click a few buttons in 3 steps and you'd be able to drive traffic. But you can purchase this and they'll drive traffic for you. They'll drive sales for you. They'll drive profits for you. And you can finally leave your day job and quit living a mediocre lifestyle. Again, here we are going through this psychological mind bend of making statements that are just inherently false and untrue. And the simple fact is that if the front end of this product did all this, like they said it did on the sales page, then you wouldn't need to be on OTO2 at this point and have them talking about how they're going to do it for you, and you got to give them more money so they can do it for you, where originally they told you that this simple push button 3-step easy process was the exact same thing that Russell Brunson, Frank Kern, and Tony Robbins were doing, and you're going to be able to do it too and be a multimillionaire just like them by purchasing the front end for $17. Let's just carry on through the funnel. So here we are again. You're going to get the early bird discount for doing nothing other than clicking off the page. Again, here we're talking about wanting unlimited traffic. Tap into our golden source of traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. Again, I'm confused because I thought the 3 traffic methods that came in the front end were all we needed to generate traffic, that we would never, ever need another traffic source because the traffic was going to be nonstop. So there you go. Moving on to the next one. Again, there's the pop-up for your discount. Here, put your new software on autopilot for traffic and sales while you sleep. I thought that was the intent of the product itself, was to create the pages, share them on social media, to Tumblr, to Twitter, and Reddit, and make the money while you sleep, because that's what the sales page says. Moving on to the last OTO. Again, get your discount. Make sure you click off the page to get the instant discount. And again, let us do all the hard work, sit back and relax and get paid big time, a complete money-making system. This is where you can purchase the ATM edition, which is basically a shortcut. Again, I'm confused. I thought you could get all the nonstop traffic and create all this money from the first sales page, but here you can buy and you can sell the ATM edition, which I'm not quite sure, because at this point, this sales page has left me just as confused as the first sales page, where I thought I purchased everything to include all the free traffic that I would ever need. Based upon what it says here, get free traffic non-stop and generate commissions, recurring monthly, even high ticket, and build an email list because the money is in the list. But here I'm on the last OTO page and it's telling me that I can watch this training, press a few magic buttons, and sit back and enjoy 100% profit, which I thought I was already going to enjoy before I got to this page that told me I could unlock the ATM edition. So there you have it in a nutshell. I showed you the dashboard. I showed you what it does. It builds pages. It gives you links to get affiliate links for products. Then you can then link on a page that they create for you. Again, they're leaning on the psychological aspects of the fact that you're new, that you don't know how to make money online, and that you still believe, just like in the Tooth Fairy or Santa Claus, that you can push a button and make money on the internet. And they also are going to try to convince you that this is the same thing that Tony Robbins, Frank Kern, and Russell Brunson is doing. It's just simply not true. So a pass on this product, thumbs down. If you want to learn how to actually create and generate money on the internet, just like I do by generating helpful content, go ahead, click on the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.